Hello everybody, this is me. No pretty background, no nice t-shirt with an emblem on it. Just wanted to take a couple of minutes to talk about how correctional officers are law enforcement and how they work with the criminal justice system. Hi, I'm Gary York, True Prison Stories. Please subscribe if you like this video. I wanted to take a minute to talk about correctional officers, how important they are. You know, with the new ICE laws going on, the new immigration laws going on, we now have correctional officers assisting ICE and the federal government in a lot of these retakes, as I call them, finding the illegal immigrants, taking them into custody. And correctional officers across the country now are starting to work with the other agencies, which we've always done. We've always worked with other agencies, but a lot of people don't realize that. And I just want to bring that to everybody's attention. Corrections, law enforcement correctional officers are a huge part of our criminal justice system. Much information lies within the prisons and jails in our country and is utilized by the local sheriff's department, police department, Florida Department of Law Enforcement, federal government, Border Patrol, any law enforcement agency, any state attorney's office. They gather information off of phone calls that are done in these jails and prisons, and we work with them to help them get this information. They gather information from the inmates' classification files, their pre-sentence investigations, their post-sentence investigations, from the probation and parole side of the house, who are also vital in working with the local law enforcement agencies. The point I'm trying to get across is people don't realize how much we work and interact with all the agencies in the criminal justice system. People think, oh, corrections just goes to work every day and babysits inmates. False. Correctional officers go to work every day to stand between you and the hardened criminals, to keep them behind those walls, and to protect the citizens in their neighborhoods and in our country. But correctional officers go way beyond that. They find critical information when doing cell searches of gang members. They find gang-written paraphernalia that has secret codes describing a hit on a person on the street, a hit on a law enforcement official, a hit on a law enforcement's family, a hit on a correctional officer's family. And then we work with other agencies to arrest these people and sentence them again, the people on the outside that are orchestrating the hit with the inmates on the inside, and all need to be prosecuted and sentenced again. They find critical information that protects people, and they write incident reports on their findings from cell searches, from pulling over an inmate. Just like a police officer pulls over someone on the street, they pull over an inmate, do a surprise pat search, bam, they find drugs, they find a weapon, they find notes. They find things that are critical in preventing a riot, preventing an escape, preventing someone to get hurt or killed. So I just wanted to take 5 minutes, I've got about 45 seconds left, to let you know that correctional officer law enforcement is huge, and it's getting bigger all the time. And I'm going to put together a nice presentation that goes way more in depth on how we interact with agencies and work with agencies. So with my last 30 seconds, I want to tell everybody out there that is a correctional officer or correctional officer supervisor, please work with the agencies that surround you. Please work with all the other law enforcement agencies and get on board so that everybody knows what to do in case of a critical incident occurring at one of our jails or prisons. Stay safe. Thank you for what you do, and we appreciate your hard work and dedication in this very stressful, dangerous job of corrections. Please subscribe. Gary York, True Prison Stories.